Hello, today I'm going to be showing you one of the techniques I use in removing blemishes from my image. So first of all, what I do is I create a curves layer, then I create 2 points, one here, I drag this point till the end, and I push this one up, then I drag this one down until I can see my blemishes clearly. Then I close this, I zoom in my image, then I use my healing brush tool. I select my healing brush tool. Now normally I use my healing brush tool if I want to remove very tiny blemishes like this. Then I also use my patch tool. Now this patch tool is to remove very large blemishes. I just circle around it, I push it, circle around it, and I move it like this. And sometimes I use my clone stamp tool. So this is a quick tutorial on how I remove blemishes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.